Hey guys, Bill here at Webjevity, and today I am going to show you how to install WordPress using something called a Bitnami WordPress Stack, which is basically just a collection of programs that help you install and run WordPress. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First off, we need to head over to the Bitnami website and download the WordPress Stack. You can find it by searching Bitnami plus WordPress on those search engines, or you can just go to the direct link as you see up here. If we head towards the bottom on this page, we have download for Windows. I'm going to be installing this on a PC. If you need to install it for Mac, we're not going to be covering that, but I'm sure you can find the information out there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this link. No thanks, I'm just going to download it. We have the option to save the file, which is what we want to do. And once we do, it's going to go ahead and download for us up here. Now, I downloaded the file earlier, but I'm going to go ahead and, for the sake of this example, use the one up here. I'm opening it up, and I'm going to right click and run as administrator. Now you may have different settings on your computer, sorry about the noise, that asks you what you want to do and allow, but in most cases just click the yes button to move forward. What's going to happen is Bitnami is going to go ahead and pop up its installer, and we're going to get this process started. English, yes, is what I selected, and that's completely up to you. The WordPress Stack, welcome, okay, go ahead and click next. We want both of these, make sure both boxes are checked, WordPress and PHPMyAdmin, next. Now you can select a different folder to put this in. I'm going to use the default folder just for the sake of this example. Next, here's where we're actually going to put some information. So go ahead and fill out the information that you want to use for your WordPress website. You don't actually have to put your real name, but do put an email address that you can access and then a username and password that you're going to use to log into the back end of your website so that you can actually make changes and update and build this website. I've pre-filled this information to save some time. Once you're finished, make note of your username for login and the password. Go ahead and click next. This is going to be the title of your website or blog. John's blog's fine. Let's click next again. We're not going to do this now, so make sure it's unchecked and click next. We're not going to do this either. We want to keep everything on our local PC. So uncheck the Launch WordPress in the cloud with Bitnami option, and then click Next to start the install. Let's do it. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video so that you don't have to wait for the install, but it does take about 5 to 6 minutes depending on your computer and hardware. During the install, you may see screens such as this black command prompt pop up. Don't worry about it. Once the install is over, it'll go away. Also, if anything pops up on your Windows side asking you to allow or lock things, make sure that you answer yes as far as allowing the programs to install as they need necessary. You may see none. And there we go. It's a Glow Auto install, but we're back at it. We're going to make sure we click the Launch Bitnami WordPress Stack, We're going to make sure that we check that box and click Finish. What we're going to see next is this, showing us that we've completed it successfully. We're going to click Access WordPress Site to check out our new site, and voila, there it is, right there. Now it doesn't look too great, it's kind of basic right now, but in the next video, I'm actually going to show you how you can log into the back end and start building the website that you want. See you then.